उन्होंने भी एग्री किया है, हमने टाइम भी फिक्स कर चुका है, किस नियम पे चर्चा करना है उसका फाइनल करना है। हर समय यहाँ ये तकिया लेकर के जो नियम के विरुद्ध में जो प्रदर्शन करता है, मैं उसका खंडन करता हूँ। ये निंदनीय है। सभापति महोदय जी, ये सब सुन रहे हैं, ये मेरा बात सुन रहे हैं। ये बिजनेस एडवाइजरी कमेटी में हम लोग जो बात करते हैं और सबने कहा कि ये प्लकार्ड लेकर के सदन में नहीं आएंगे, फिर ये अपने एमपीओ को ये पोस्टर बैनर लेकर के सदन को इस तरीके से डिस्टर्ब करना, ये तो बहुत आपत्तिजनक है जी। और वो चर्चा मांग रहे हैं, हम चर्चा के लिए तैयार है, फिर ये सदन चलने नहीं देते हैं। ये डबल स्टैंडर्ड बिल्कुल गलत बात है। चर्चा चाहते हैं तो ये हंगामा मत करो। सरकार ने बार बार कहा है कि हम चर्चा करना चाहते हैं, फिर ये हंगामा क्यों कर रहे हैं? कौन जिम्मेदार लेगा? देश का करोड़ों टैक्स मनी को आप लोग हंगामा करके बर्बाद कर रहे हैं, जवाब देना पड़ेगा। हम लोग सुबह से तैयार करके आते हैं, बिजनेस लेके आते हैं, चर्चा के लिए हम लोग तैयार हैं। आप लोग सदन का समय बर्बाद कर रहे हैं। ये सब हमारा जो कांग्रेस पार्टी और उनके कुछ साथियों ने जो 2 दिन से जो हंगामा कर रहे हैं, मैं इसका खंडन करना चाहता हूँ।
धन्यवाद। देखिए, ये सदन का ये अच्छी परंपरा नहीं है। बार बार आप लोग प्ले कार्ड पोस्टर्स लेकर के सदन में इस तरह का परिस्थिति, इस तरह का व्यवहार, ये गणतंत्र के अच्छी स्वास्थ्य के लिए ठीक नहीं है। आप गणतंत्र को स्वस्थ रखिए, गणतंत्र में आपको सम्मिलित होइए। माननीय मंत्री जी ने बोला है, हर विषय के ऊपर, हर मुद्दे के ऊपर सदन में चर्चा होगा। बीएससी मीटिंग में तय हुआ है। अगर आप सदन नहीं चलाना चाहते हैं, सभा की कार्यवाही बुधवार दिनांक 23 जुलाई 2025 को प्रातः 11 बजे तक के लिए स्थगित की जाती है।
As you see there, that was Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju speaking about the Op Sindoor debate and discussion that has been planned by the government. And with that, the Lok Sabha also has been adjourned for the day. My colleague Aishwarya joins me for the latest. Aishwarya, we heard the Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju there. A lot of ruckus in the Lok Sabha over the VP's sudden exit, and now the Operation Sindoor discussion that in fact the government has already allocated 16 hours from. What are you picking up?
Well, both the houses, the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, has been adjourned till tomorrow and will meet again at 11 a.m. Tomorrow. There are repeated adjournments that we saw both in the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, with opposition praising the demand on discussion on the issue of the Bihar SIR. Remember, there was a protest that was lodged by the India bloc MPs outside the Makar Dwar today as well, and it was a discussion that they were demanding. In fact, there was sloganing that were taking place in the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju in the Lok Sabha stood up and stated that when the timing had been decided on the discussion on Operation Sindoor, that was one of the major demand of the opposition, then why are they disrupting the parliament? Why they are not letting the parliament function? Kiren Rijiju went on to say that these are double standards of the opposition. On one side, the demand is being fulfilled by the government. The timing had been decided, but now again they are chanting slogans is something that is very wrong, not appropriate, and certainly he had called these double standards of the opposition bloc amid these ruckus, log jam. Both the houses of the parliament getting adjourned once again, and they will meet tomorrow at 11 a.m.
Aishwarya, seeing from the scenes today, and like we are seeing on the screen right now, what different can we expect tomorrow? And are there any more powder kegs that are in fact waiting to explore when both the sessions in fact reconvene tomorrow morning at 11 a.m.?
Well, there will be a face-off between the opposition and the treasury benches on the Bihar SIR. Today, there were almost more than 100 MPs that protested, Rahul Gandhi to Priyanka Gandhi, Meesa Bharti, all senior leaders of the opposition bloc, including Akhilesh Yadav, also joined this protest. Their issue was that during the BAC, the opposition, when tried to raise up the issue of the Bihar SIR, the government had not heard them. And of course, there were demands that were accepted as far as the discussion on Operation Sindoor is concerned. But they want also discussion on the Bihar SIR Rao as well. It was on this point when soon after, once the parliament adjourned at 11 a.m. and it met again at 12 noon, we saw in both Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, the MPs went into the well. They chanted slogans against the government that it is the loot of the votes that is taking place in Bihar, and that will continue in the state of West Bengal as well. Tomorrow as well, this point of contention would be there between the opposition and treasury benches, is what we have been told by our sources within the opposition camp, as they will continue to press the demand of the discussion on Bihar SIR.
Of course, Aishwarya, thank you so much for the latest updates. And of course, we'll keep coming back to you for the latest